Han Hongxing Precision Technology Company Limited is located in Shenzhen City, China. The company currently has a construction area of about 7,000 square meters and 120 employees, focusing on production of bicycle seat post, bike handlebar, bicycle stem, bike pedal, bike cup rack, etc. We are a manufacturer of research and development, production and sales, as well as all kinds of forged parts, machine parts, and stamping parts. We have registered brand trademarks in the European Union, Japan, and other places. The company has passed the COC Quality System Certification, ISO 9001 Quality Certification, and has design patent certificates for many products. At present, the company has advanced equipment and production lines, including 8 sets of 300 tons, 500 tons, 1,000 tons, 2,000 tons servo numerical control forging machines, hydraulic forging machines, 3D servo numerical control forging machines, 25 sets of CNC processing equipment, and computer guns, and other supporting processing equipment, 7 punching machines, 10 hydraulic drilling machines, 8 forming cutting machines, 10 special multi-position composite processing equipment, 10 pipe forming and bending machines, 5 sawing machines, and has its own precision mold center. Last year, we sold more than 8.6 million cycle parts, provide OEM, OBM, ODM, and CMT services. We have been a major supplier to many large businesses of Amazon. We have rich experience to reduce the production costs, strict quality control mechanism, make every effort to provide customers with better products and services.